You want me to help you with that one?
Look how big this is. Is this a piece of corn?
Looks like corn, doesn't it?
Look,
Here you go.
that one's fine right there.
That one still got some in it?
Yeah. Wow, that's so much. No, let me help you.
Okay, now let's not take the full ones through the house. Let's go this way.
But I don't have juice.
Uh-oh.
I get them.
Let's go. Oops. Okay, which one goes where?
This one goes up there. This one goes right here. Goes like that. This one goes all the way up.
Can you get it, baby?
This looks like a corn tree. This looks like a corn tree.
Looks like a corn tree.
Yeah.
And now, go get that big quail block and... Can you get it? Where's Bella?
Let me take the wrapper off.
Okay, you can both take the wrapper off. Here. Watch your fingers. All right, do you think you can get it on top of there, or is Papa gonna need to do it?
Probably.